Now that we've talked about each piece, let's go back and take a look at the big picture again. On a V in the upper left, you specified a product, and so that's the product requirements. You then transfer to an engineering view of the system with the software and hardware requirements. You then create an architecture, so you break all those requirements up into a number of functions and a number of pieces and say these are all the pieces we're going to build. You break it down into modules, so each piece is going to have a detailed design. So the architecture is a bunch of pieces. The designs are what does each piece do. The implementation is the code to actually build each piece. And the unit test checks that the design is actually what the code does. The integration test tests that the architecture actually works the way you think it does. In other words, the units play well together. And the software test says, yeah, okay, everything plays well together, but does it actually do all the functions that are required by the product from an engineering point of view? And the acceptance test is a final check to say, yeah, users are going to like this product.